Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Distinguished judges, respected teachers, fellow speakers, and friends from UNED, let me begin by introducing myself. My name is Ahmad Raizal Badarabima, a proud student from Citra Bangsa Junior High School in Bondowoso. Today, I feel truly honored to be standing here to share a topic that is not only important to me, but critical for our planet's future. The title of my speech is Bleach Beauty, the Silent Death of Coral Reefs. At first glance, this title might sound poetic or even beautiful, but behind those words lies a sad and painful truth. Our coral reefs, once bursting with color and life, are now fading, turning ghostly white. Not because they are beautiful, but because they are suffering. And yet, this tragedy happens in silence. Ladies and gentlemen, coral reefs are often called the rainforest of the sea because of the life they support. From the tiny shrimp to the majestic sea turtles, coral reefs are home to thousands of rare species. They also protect coastline and provide food and income for millions of people. But today, they are under serious threat. And the main cause is global warming. A recent report published by UNESCO, supported by Icelandic government and over 100 scientists in nearly 30 countries, has revealed the truth we can no longer ignore. The oceans are in danger from warming temperatures, acidification, pollution, rising sea levels, and biodiversity loss. When ocean temperatures rise by just 1 degree Celsius, coral becomes stressed. They lose the tiny algae living in their tissues, causing them to turn white, a process called coral bleaching. And if the stress continues, the coral die. In the past 30 years, Indonesia has lost nearly 50% of its coral reefs. This is not just a loss of beauty, it's a loss of ecosystem, of species, of life itself. But it's not all bad news. There is still hope. Marine scientists are growing coral nurseries. Coastal communities are working to restore damaged reefs. And we, as students, can be part of this change. Here are a few small ways we can make a big difference. First, use bicycle or carpool to reduce emission. Second, save electricity at home. Third, join or support local eco-friendly projects. And most importantly, spread awareness. Let's not be the generation that watch coral reefs vanish. Let's be the generation that help them recover. Ladies and gentlemen, coral reefs cannot speak. They don't cry, but they are suffering. And their silence should speak volumes to us. They are fading, and we are the cause. But we can also be the solution. By caring just a little more, by changing just a little what we do, we can help coral reefs back to life. Let us be their voice. Let us protect what cannot protect itself. Thank you all for listening. May we all become heroes of the ocean in our way. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.